Now, how do you adjust the camera to see the iPad screen properly? So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you're not going to miss anything important. Well, obviously, I capture and record my iPad screen a lot for these videos. So if you want to ensure that it looks good on a camera, then you need to both adjust the settings on the iPad as well as on your camera, because the brightness of your iPad is really crucial. I mean, there isn't any correct method. You just want to make sure that when you set up your camera and point it at your iPad, you then change the brightness to make it look the best on the actual camera screen, right? So I cannot tell you to set it to like 100% or 50%. It really depends on your environment and the lighting in it there. So that's just one option. But outside of that, of course, there are settings on your camera. If you are using your iPhone to capture it like I do, it's best to go and download the Final Cut Camera, which is the Apple's official professional camera app. And there you get to customize the settings like the exposure manually, and the focus can be set to manual, and all of the things can be set to be much more professional. And in there, I usually just adjust the temperature to make it look like nicer and not like too warm or too cool, depends on how the shot is looking. But also the exposure has to be set properly to make sure that it works the best. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, if you want to just capture the screen of your iPad only, you don't even have to use camera, of course, because you can use the screen recording feature of the iPad and just capture the screen video internally using software. So these are all of the options you have. Let me know in the comments below if you have some other things that you are wondering about or something specific you might want to ask. Go ahead and do that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later.